triangle KLM has coordinates K negative 6, 1, L negative 2, 1, M negative 6, 6. Graph and label triangle K double prime, L double prime, M double prime. The image of triangle KLM after the translation 4 units to the right and 3 units up, followed by the reflection over the line y equals 0. So first we have to draw triangle KLM. So point K has coordinates negative 6, 1. So we have to find point K first, negative 6, negative 1. This is our x-axis. First coordinate is on the x-axis, the second on the y. X, y, x, y. So we have to find negative 6 on the x-axis and 1 on the y. X-axis, negative 6, so negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is negative 6. And we have to go 1 unit up because y equals 1 is here. So this is our point K. Next point L has coordinates negative 2, 1, negative 1, negative 2, 1. This is our point L. And M, negative 6, 6. So this is negative 6 and 6 up because y equals 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our point M. Point K has coordinates negative 6, 1. Point L has coordinates negative 2, 1, and point M negative 6, 6. This is our triangle KLM. Next, we have to find the image of triangle KLM after the translation 4 units to the right and 3 units up. So let me write this. We have 4 units right and 3 units up. First, what is translation? Translation moves every point of figure the same distance in the same direction. The translation changes the position of a figure without changing its size or shape. Now we have to move our 3 characteristic points 4 units right and 3 units up. So when we have point coordinates x, y, after translation we have point with coordinates. For example, if we translate our point by vector a, b, we have to add to the first coordinate a and to the second b. In this example, our a is 4 and b is 3. So we have, when we have point x, y, we have to add to the first coordinate 4 and to the second coordinate we have to add 3. So when we have point K has coordinates negative 6, 1. So after translation, what will be? We can write K prime. To the first coordinate we have to add 4 and to the second 3. When we move to the right or up, we add. When we move to the left or down, we have to subtract. So we have negative 6 we copy and we have to add 4. And to the second coordinate we have 1, we have to add 3. So K prime will have coordinates negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2, and we have 1 plus 3 is 4. Now this is our point K. Now we have to move our point L coordinates negative 2, 1. Like I said, when we move right or up, we have to add these units. So L prime will be now negative 2 plus 4, and Y coordinate will be 1 plus 3. So L prime has coordinates negative 2 plus 4, so this is 2, 1 plus 3 is 4. And point M has coordinates negative 6, 6. After translation by vector, A, B, in this example we have A is 4 and B is 3. We will have point M prime. First coordinate we copy negative 6 and we have to add 4. And to the second coordinate, what will be 6 plus 3. So point M prime will have coordinates negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2, 6 plus 3 is 9. So now we have to find these points. To be sure, you can always first do this by moving the point K 4 units right and 3 units up. So 4 units right, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 units up, so this is 1, 2, 3. Now our point K prime will be here, and prime has coordinates negative 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Everything is okay. We got the same from calculation, from algebra, negative 2, 4. Next, point L, we move 4 units right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 units up, 1, 2, 3. So this is our point L prime, and from the graph we see that we will have coordinates 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4. And from algebra we got the same, 2, 4. And point M, 4 units right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 units up, 1, 2, 3. So our point M prime will have coordinates from the graph negative 2, and Y coordinates is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is negative 2, 9, and we got from algebra the same coordinates. Now we can connect these 3 points, and we have triangle K prime, L prime, M prime. Like I said, translation doesn't change the size or shape of our figure. Our triangle has the same shape and size. We change the position of our triangle only. So this is our triangle K prime, L prime, M prime. Now we have to reflect our triangle over line y equals 0. So first we have to know where is y equals 0. Y equals 0, this is our x-axis. This is y equals 0. Reflection uses a line of reflection. In our example we have line of reflection y equals 0, and we have to create a mirror image of our original figure. When we have reflection over y, line y equals 0, what do we have to change? We have to multiply the y coordinate by -1. The x coordinate stay the same. Our point, we have to take these three characteristic points and find reflection of these three characteristic points and connect them. So let me write this. We have first point K prime, which has coordinates -2, 4. Like I said, when we have to reflect our figure about x-axis, because y equals 0, this is x-axis, then the first coordinate stayed the same, and the second, the y, change. So we have to multiply the y coordinate by -1. So k double prime will be first coordinate stayed the same, so it's -2, and the second we have to multiply by -1, so 4 times -1 is -4. Let me write this. When we have reflection in the x-axis, we have to multiply the y coordinate by -1. The x coordinates stay the same. So when we have point x, y, after reflection, the x-axis, first coordinate stayed the same, and y will be now -y. Y times -1 is -y. So we have point K double prime. Now L prime, we have coordinates 2, 4. So L double prime, first coordinates stay the same, and the second we have to multiply by -1, so will be -4. And M prime has coordinates -2, 9. So after reflection we will have M double prime, first coordinates stay the same, and the second will be 9 times -1 is -9. So now we have to find these 3 points, -2, -4. So -2 on the x-axis and -4 on the y. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our point K double prime, coordinates -2, -4. Now L prime will be 2, 4, -4 coordinates, so 2 and -4 we have here. This is our L double prime, 2, -4, and point M has coordinates now M double prime, -2, -9. So this is -1, -2, and 9 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is our point M double prime, -2, -9. Now we have to connect these 3 points. And this is our triangle K double prime, L double prime, M double prime. And we see that after reflection, Our triangle doesn't change the size or shape. Still the same triangle, only we change the position of our triangle. Translation and reflection doesn't change size or shape, only the position of our figure. This is my solution.